Kia ora, ko Gloria tōku ingoa.
Tēnā koutou, ko McLean tōku ingoa.
Together with Campus Seminars, we are presenting workshops about supporting rainbow rangatahi. This workshop is for anyone working with youth, including health professionals, educators, and community workers.
Rainbow young people face a number of different barriers in accessing the care and support they need. And this workshop equips you with the tools to create a safe and affirmative space for rainbow rangatahi.
Drawing on our experience in clinical and community contexts, we explore inclusive language, the intersection of different identities, and sources of hope, empowerment, and queer joy.
You can expect some Gen Z memes, to learn why haircuts and online spaces are so important, to roleplay, self-reflect, and have fun while doing it.
We are so excited to see you there. Mā te wā!